Hi everyone, I'm going to challenge my dad with the Rubik's Cube. First, and my mom is going to juggle it like.
Okay, while I juggle, you better say a disclaimer
as
first.
Christine is juggling this, from what I've seen, she's really memorized the whole thing from scratch, even though I was going to try teaching her. I'm also using a guide. I have some notes written in front of me to try and do this. I got a feeling I'm going to lose.
It's fine.
It's fine.
Let's see.
I don't know.
Oh no.
Okay.
So this is how we.
Okay. Hands on the table. Ready? 1, 2, go!
Oh no. Oh dear. What am I doing? I really don't. How?
Show again, come and show again.
I wasn't even trying to lose. Huh? How long was that?